Hello everyone, welcome to Savoy Hotel Manila.
Savoy Manila is located in Newport Resorts World and Casino. This is just across the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Savoy Manila at the same time also caters to different nationalities, tourists, and businessmen. Now, let me give you a tour to Savoy Hotel Manila. Let's begin with our lobby, spacious and big enough to accommodate guests, tourists, and different people that would like to visit our place. In Savoy Manila, you will also see our manning booth. We also have a restaurant and all-day dining in Savoy Hotel Manila. Part of also of the amenities are swimming pool, a poolside bar, and a lot more. We even have gym, hotel lounge, and some of our rooms.
So right now, I'll give you a discussion of Capital Town, yung bagong Savoy Hotel po natin na ginagawa sa area, sa Pampanga. So, kaya po tayo nandito sa Savoy Manila is for me to give you an idea kung ano po yung itsura ng Savoy Hotel na gagawin po sa Pampanga. So, thank you.
Have a Savoy Hotel for only 13 peso or $230 in the next BGC of the North. Enjoy exclusive hotel perks, discounts, and VIP privileges, plus yearly continuous income. Call us now.
Thank you for watching my video. My name is Miguel Dimano. For more information about our latest property in Capital Town, Savoy Hotel, Capital Town, Pampanga, feel free to message me. Like and subscribe, and see you around.